Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good evening from Hanoi, Vietnam. So, the plan today is well, I guess it's not evening. It's more like afternoon, but it'll be evening soon. It's like 4, almost 5 o'clock. But yeah, so today's plan is to go check out the Hanoi train street. It's that street where like the train goes by like inches away from you. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there, probably get something to eat. So I checked the schedule of the trains and man, it's like all over the place. Like every website has a slightly different schedule. And I mean they could just be giving the schedule for different spots, but like some of them are like way off. Like a bunch of places said they passed by around 7:20, and then other places like they don't have anything after 6:20 until like 9 p.m. So yeah, I don't really know. I'm just gonna head there now or as soon as I get my stuff ready, and yeah, I'll just stay there until the next train comes. 'Cause I mean, at least all of them said there's a bunch between like 5 and 6. So I should get there around, I don't know, like 5 something. Depends how easily I could get a grab taxi. But yeah, I'm just gonna get the rest of my stuff and I'll see you guys in a bit. The other day I brought my trash out right here. The only reason I brought it here was because I saw a pile of trash there already and I saw people picking it up the night before, and this lady came out, started tripping on me. I don't know what she was saying in Vietnamese, but she looked angry. Yeah, there's like piles of trash like this. Oh shit, there's a dead rat right there. Alright, I'm gonna try to get the grab taxi. Alright, I think I'm here. Find a good place to eat. Went with the first guy that asked me to sit down. Gonna have a nice view, I think. I'm gonna walk down after the train comes. It's gonna come in like 20 minutes. I ordered like food and drink, so yeah, I'm gonna eat that and then check out the rest of the spot. So it's just like a 40-minute walk back. I think I'm gonna walk back. There was like a bunch of cool stuff to check out on the way, so yeah, I think I'm gonna walk back. Shouldn't be too bad. Just don't want to have to cross too many streets. Because yeah, crossing streets in Vietnam is crazy. Alright, I think the train's coming. I moved my table. Yeah. From US?
US?
Yeah. And you?
India.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. You've been here for a while, or?
Yeah. This is the bill. I have a new bill. Thank you so much. Can I sit here?
Yes.
It's coming from there.
Train as well?
Oh, sorry?
Did you come here with the train as well?
Yeah.
I've been waiting for a couple of hours.
Couple hours?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
I had
here
a
perfect
lot of
time.
beverages.
Alright, there it comes. Fried rice here. There's literally nothing else in there. It's just fried rice with an egg. This costs $4. Ridiculous. Should have just waited, ate somewhere else. Alright, try it out. Good enough. It's good. Just wish there was some meat or something in there.
Excuse me. Nice meeting you. We'll have fun. If you are interested, probably try out this place if you have time. 8-minute walk from here.
Oh, chicken pot.
If you like chicken.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Thank you very much.
You have a nice time.
You too. Check out the rest of this place. hookah bar here. Cool little stretch. Alright, see if I could get to the other side without going through here again. Make my way back. I think I stepped in some vomit, man. Like, it's like wet right there. I like stepped on a loose brick and I like popped the vomit up onto my feet. Fuck. I'm kind of afraid to know what it is. I think it was vomit because there was like, I don't know, there was like chunks in it. Yeah, I don't know if you could see that across the street, but yeah, I was trying to film that earlier. Alright. Be careful crossing the streets. At least the streets are wide in this part. It's still crazy to cross the street, but yeah, can you see that stuff? There's like a Pikachu one over there too. It's like kids driving around. It's like a whole park. You could drive those little things around. That's pretty cool. Oh, I think that's the statue of Lenin. Huh. Let's see if I could get across. I gotta cross the street anyway. Yeah, that's Lenin. These things look fun. Skateboarders. Damn, these kids are going fast as hell. I was actually gonna stop by there, the Lenin Statue, on another day, but nice. I was there the other day, the flag tower. Oh. Dude, these tricycle things are super fast. This is pretty much the same road I took to the Citadel the other day. Yeah, the walk back is not too bad. I mean, the motorbike only costs like $1, but it's a nice walk back.